What's up, everybody? It's been a good while since we have talked and hung out and just caught up on my beaters. So, yeah, I've literally just been driving this car like several times a week. Got a gym membership and I'm trying to change a lot of things in my life, so that is one of them. So I've actually just been driving this thing to the gym every evening, and it's been doing great. I don't even have the tick anymore, which is awesome. So stoked about that. I'm sure that it's one of those GM ticks that could probably come back like any second. So anyways, I have I've gotten like over 230, I don't know, it's 200 something miles on this car, which driving around town is quite a bit. But car show this weekend, so I've got like just this evening to get this car clean, which it doesn't look like it's dirty at all, but as soon as you get it out into the light, she's dirty. So I'm gonna take a little bit of time, get it cleaned out, and probably just gonna end up using like some detail spray or something. Doesn't need a full wash. So right here, Meguiar's waterless wash and wax. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a once over, maybe put some tire shine on it for the first time, wipe off the dash, clean up the interior a little bit, pop the hood, get underneath cleaned, clean up some of the suspension because I really want this thing to look good, because it's probably going to be the nappiest car down there, and even though it's nappy, I want it to be cool. So let's get it cleaned up and then let's go to the car show. Next day, I got distracted yesterday. Buddy stopped by, and then I kept on cleaning, and then I stopped. So it's Friday, and tomorrow is the car show. So I'm doing some last second filling up. Siphon method, because those are freaking stupid. You can't use them with those. They're just such a pain in the butt. So getting her fueled up, and because I don't want to do it first thing in the morning, that's going to be early enough as it is. I have to be down there at like 7:20, 7:30, so I don't want to get up any earlier than I have to. So getting her filled up. I'm going to vacuum out the trunk. I don't have much to wipe down. I'm going to do a quick wipe in the interior. Maybe put some tire shine on for the very first time. But for the most part, it's pretty clean. Maybe just wipe the wheel wells down. Just topping off the water. Water was a little low because I never actually topped it off after I put the heater hoses on that wrap behind the fender. So I'll just do a light wipe down, and then we'll call it good. Tire shine on the tires for the very first time, and then we'll be good. The next thing you'll see is cruising down the street in my 7-1. Hoping it doesn't break down. Looking for fun. Never mind. Show day not starting off good, guys. battery was dead. I don't know why. It's a brand new battery, and I must have a draw somewhere. So hopefully this doesn't give me any problems. What are you doing, dude? Go ahead. There's a long line getting in here. Do a burnout. Look at this beauty car in front of us. No, not you.
Oh.
Look at the car. Isn't that pretty?
So nice.
I hope it starts.
That'd be fun. Oh, I like the wheels. I think I've ever-
I'm back. I don't even know if you guys can see me. Alright, I'm back. So today was a really good day. It started off as driving down to the car show, getting there early and still having to get in line. It took 45 minutes for them to park us. So I literally sat in a line idling for 45 minutes, which I was freaked out about, but the car did great and no issues, and it was fun. I didn't want a video because I didn't want to be that weirdo out there, and then who really likes to watch car show footage? So I had a lot of people actually looking at the car, asking about the swap, was it hard, that kind of stuff. I got a lot of comments about these. My freaking cheap budget steel wheels. A lot of people really enjoyed the steel wheels, which was crazy because those are literally like just freaking budget wheels. So got a lot of comments about that, and it was a good day. Car did good. It was long. Got done there at 7:15, and right now it is 7:35. So it's been like a 12-hour day down there. But the show was over a long time ago. I just hung out and got drinks, and it was fun. So anyways, car is good. Now it's literally gonna rain tomorrow, so a car show happened like right in between bad weather, which was perfect. Got a nice little sticky plaque that I can just put on the toolbox, which is cool. But that was fun. Hundreds of cars, so many people. It was just fun. So anyways, what's next? Well, I'm debating. I was so close to ordering the rear end for this car, but then I started thinking about mini tubs. So, because when you order these quick performance 9-inch rear ends, you can order them literally at any width you want for no extra cost whatsoever. And I was thinking, well, gosh, if I had the chance to get it a little narrower than normal, I might take that. So, thinking about possibly doing some Detroit Speed mini tubs. So I'm gonna look into that. The only thing about that's a lot of work, and I don't weld very well. Maybe I could. I don't know. Figure it out. Anyways, I'm tired. I'm freaking sunburnt, and I'm ready just to go inside and chill. I'm so stinking tired. So, yeah. Did I tell you guys I'm gonna twin turbo this car? Yeah, I'm twin turbo in this car.